So friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing in this video many people facing the problem in Xbox Live today. Yes guys, many people facing sign-in problem and also network problem. So guys, I am showing in this video what is its solution and why this problem is coming. So guys, watch this video till end and do like and subscribe our channel for more updates. So guys, today Xbox Live servers is down. Yes guys, Xbox Live server is down. You can watch this graph. The red line is at up. So this means guys, Xbox Live servers is down. Many people facing this problem. So guys, this problem is automatically fixed by Xbox Live team. So guys, you can wait for some time and this problem is solved within a minute and within an hour. So guys, you have to wait for some time. And guys, any other problem you had faced on Xbox Live, you can comment me and I'm trying to solve your problem. So guys, I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.